I'm going to show you how to play the kalimba. This one is the Yulin kalimba. It has a full range of 17 notes and it is our most popular kalimba. The first thing we want to do is hold it properly. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our fingers at the back, making sure not to block the sound holes, and then we can have our thumbs in position to play. The notes are engraved on the metal keys. So we have C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And that is our first octave. And then this portion here is our second octave, which is higher pitched. You may notice that it has a dot. So if you're learning music, then you will need to refer to which specific note you're meant to be playing in order to play the right note. If you would prefer to use number notation, you can use the numbers, which goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then repeats again, but with the dot. To actually play a note, you can use your thumb, or if you have nails, you can use those. Now we're going to be playing our first song, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. We're going to break it down into sections just to make it easier. So the first notes are C, C, G, G, A, A, G. Then F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Then we're going to go G, G, F, F, E, E, D, and we're going to play that part 2 times. Now we're going to go back to the beginning, which is C, C, G, G, A, A, G. Then F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Feel free to rewind the video and go through it again if you need to, but now we're going to try play all the way through. Aside from just playing songs, you can also play chords by rolling your thumb across multiple notes at the same time, like this. That's just one song you can play on the kalimba, but if you want a large collection of 80 songs, along with a complete learning resource and 10 dedicated video lessons, you should check out the Kalimba Starter Course. I'll put a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.